Okay, so let us see this question 23. They said this is 3 terms. So maksudnya dia adalah 3 term yang berturut-tahan in our geometry series. They are testing us on our knowledge geometry series. So 3, this is our first term, second term, third term. And we have to find out what is our C. So in geometry series, what's the important concept here? So we can see in geometry series, they are proving is using Tn over Tn minus 1. Means the second term divide by first term, the third term divide by second term, term yang belakang divide dengan term yang depan tu. Sebab kalau ini term kita Tn, term ini bahagi dengan term yang depan. So this is how we prove this is a geometry series. So we can use their identity here, means for here we will take 3c minus 2 divide by 3c minus 7 over 2. It must be same because he said this is geometry series. It must be same. The term 3, 6 over the term 2, 3c minus 2. So we're going to simplify this. So we are going to cross multiply. And find out our C here. Okay, so we expand here. We will get 9c squared, and then this one negative 6 become negative 12c, then plus 4. For this right hand side we expand one by one. 3 with 6, 18. So 6 times here negative 21. Oh, we get a quadratic. So always remember a quadratic must be followed by is the next step factorize. So we have to arrange our quadratic first. So 18c we move there, negative 30c. Then this 21, when I move here, it become plus 25. Okay, so we can do our factorization. You try to press your calculator. You can already simplify this. Our quadratic is positive, then we are safe. Then you see 9, 30, 25. We don't have common factor. This is multiple of 3, this is multiple of 3, but this is multiple of 5, so we cannot simplify. This is the simplest already. We use our calculator, we find out what is A 9, B negative 30, C 25. Okay, so although your calculator is show you in X, but our question here is C, so we use C. So although we have one answer only, means here is 2 same roots. There are 2 same roots here. So this is how we get our C. Then we look at here. Hence, when we have the wording hence, means we have to use what we have just now to answer the following questions, to answer the following tasks here. So what we have just now is this. What we have done here is C equals to 5 over 3 to answer the second part of this question, 7th term of the series. So 7th term, Tn equals to A R n minus 1. So I need to find out what is my first term and what is my common ratio. So my first term is this. This is first term, second term, third term, right? So my first term is this. So I find out what is my first term, 3c. So use the c here and find out. It will be 3 over 2. And then we find out what is our common ratio. Common ratio will be, I take 6 divided by 3c minus 2. Okay, I take the third term, divide by second term. So when we divide by second term, we can put our c here, 5 over 3 minus 2. So this common ratio will give us 2. So finally, we can plug in our information A and R in order to find 7 term. 7 term means T7. So T7, it will be A, R, and then n minus 1. So 7 minus 1, it will 6. So this gives us 96. You can see a question like this, it gives you 8 marks. So means that you will have some concept here. The first important concept here is this. when you are given geometry series, you must know the second term divided by first term must be equal to the third term divided by second term. Then we simplify to get our quadratic, doing our factorization to get our answer of C. That will be our first part of the question. Second part is we find when you want to find terms, we must know what is our first term and R. So that is a concept and our answer to put into the n term formula.